we're going to take a look at this Tacoma Diecast right here on HDub 50.
Alright!
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. And, yep, it is what you see here. It's those Tacoma Diecasts that are going absolutely bonkers nuts on eBay. So let's take a look at, I got 4 here. I got a raw, a raw, a raw, and a maroon one. Guess what we're going to open? Yeah, not the raw one. Let's take a look at this now. So, I originally saw this on another YouTuber from Hawaii's channel, New Collector. He was able to pick them up on the original release. I didn't know of the release, so I didn't go ahead and buy any of them. So I wasn't able to get the milk tea desert tan color one, nor did I get the white one, which are just going absolutely nuts right now on eBay. So but I was still able to, with patience, you can still pick up some of these at a good, decent price. Not at the original retail price, but a little more on the affordable side. So I did watch a few of the Grail ones go for over $100 each, and some whatnot sales that had them at $200. So it's absolutely nuts. So I wasn't gonna pay that. That's too much. I love diecast, but I don't love diecast that much. So I probably should have cut these before starting the video, but here we go. Okay, let's take another look at that one. A lot of glare, so let's try and work through the glare here. So this one is the Tacoma that has the tent on it, and you can see through that glare right there that it does have I think it has a number. So let's go get this open. So those of you that remembered the video we did a while back where we opened up one of those 66 Mercedes limos, this is the same company, GCD. I think it's called DiecastTalk also. Oh, yeah, I'm squeezing that out. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put this back here because I'm probably gonna keep this one open. It's gonna be this one's gonna be the one, the copy that, well, not copy, but the version that I keep open. I don't mind the color too much. Would have preferred the white, but they haven't had the gray color that I had when I did own the Tacoma. So wow, this is cool. It comes with a microfiber cloth so that you can clean up your car with it. Okay, let's see. So I can see that it's taped on the ends. Of course, I did buy this directly from the retailer in China, so it did take a while to get here, and I was surprised that it did. When it did, it got here pretty quick compared to how long things took before from China. Alright, so let's put those there because I want to take a look at this plate number, and I think this thing comes off just like that. Wow. Okay, so there is the tent. It's one of those, should be one of those pop-up tents, but this one's in a fully extended setup. Put that there. It looks like we have a kayak and another rack. Oh yeah, that's kind of cool. So let's take a look at the diecast real quick. I'm gonna put this in the background. We can take a look at that on the rotate, and I'll get a closer look later. So it does have a Toyota Tacoma TRD. It says scale 164 down there at the bottom. So this is not a numbered series. The DiecastTalk version does have a number on it, so that DiecastTalk one is limited. This one doesn't seem to be, but you know, I wanted a raw, so I was able to pick this one up in raw. So let's take a look at that. I'm gonna zoom in real quick. You can take a look at that. This is sweet. Let's get that tent on there so you can see what it looks like with the tent on. Like I said, it does have other accessories here, and I think that is a shovel, and I think that's a cover, a tunnel cover that you can put. I guess you can put an additional rack on top of that tunnel cover, where you can simulate a folded tent, and it comes with a shovel and a kayak, and I don't know what this thing is, but I think it's a cover for a spare tire. Okay, so I think there's some other features on here that's still pretty cool, and if I'm not mistaken, I believe the wheels turn. Yeah, so you've got a 1/64 scale Tacoma 1/64 scale that's got turning wheels. Look at that. Wow, that's big dollars. And the skid plate under there is pretty cool. Opening the Ziploc bag, let me see if I can put some of these other accessories on there. So we've got what looks like a tunnel cover, and I believe these are wheel covers, and another rack. So take a look at this one here. This looks like the tunnel cover that's supposed to be, I guess, the tent folded. So I'm assuming that it goes on top. On top of the rack, and I think this sits this way. Am I missing something? I don't know. There you go. So that sits there. And I'm assuming that this is gonna sit here. Right on top. Look at that. Wow. And then you take the canoe, which is pretty good details. I mean, look at that. I think you take the canoe and you mount the canoe, and I believe this is a, well, if you got a canoe, it's got to be a paddle, so that gets there. Wow. And the only other thing left is the wheel covers, and I'm assuming that means that covers the wheel, the spare tire. Oh, sorry, didn't know that wasn't on the screen. Okay, so I don't know how that works. I'm going to leave that like that. There is no instruction with this, obviously, because this is kind of self-explanatory. At least I hope. But look at that. Tunnel cover, or not tunnel cover, tent, canoe, spare tire, posable wheels. I'm going to take this off because these are going to fall off when I lift it up. And here the skid plate, I'm assuming that that's what that is. It's amazing. Awesome. So I'm going to pull back the camera just a little bit, leave that in the background. So what we're looking at here is I do have, this one says K&N. This one says Tacoma, really hard to see. I'm going to leave these sealed for now. And then I have the raw with the tent. So you'll probably see this show up. I'm going to put this up right after the video that's going up for the Amazon Black Box today. I'm going to put this one up for Friday, May 5, Cinco de Mayo. And we'll see. After that, I'll decide whether I'm going to open any of the raw versions. I think I might keep the raw Tacoma, and then I'll put probably the K&N one and the raw with the tent up for sale on Whatnot. Alright, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you haven't already signed up for Whatnot, please sign up using our affiliate link. It'll help our channel and also get you $10 just for signing up. So it's free. You can use that towards your first purchase, or you can just sign up and enter all the freebies and see what kind of free stuff you get. So the sellers pay for the shipping to you. So if you do sign up and you participate in any of the giveaways, or once you win a giveaway, then your shipping is discounted. So if you do continue to buy, at that point you'll pay a discounted combined shipping. So alright, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you. See you later. Hey, don't go yet. For our new viewers, check out our end screen where you'll see our previous video, a video YouTube thinks you like, and a link to our second channel.